So today we're working on this Tesla Model S. Now this is going to be a series of videos. We're showing you the pre-wash process, the contact wash and deconning, and now we're on to the wheels. So how do you deep clean wheels? Let's show you. If you're enjoying videos like this, and I hope you are, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. And if you're interested in any of the products or tools that we're using, check out the links down below and enter code Miranda10 for 10% off at Car Supplies Warehouse. Now we've already pre-washed and cleaned the paint. We've done our contact and deconning. Let's focus on the wheels. Now in the pre-wash, we already did our first cleaning on these wheels, basically using an alkaline degreaser without even touching the wheels or tires. But now let's do more of a thorough cleaning. You see the outside of the wheel doesn't really look bad, but the inside, yeah, not the greatest. Let's see if we can clean those up a little better. Now, as you can see, just by agitating, they'll clean up. Let's use an iron remover and wheel cleaner to help them along. Now this has an iron deposit remover. So it's going to react, turn purple, and it's going to help remove that brake dust. Sounds like a kookaburra. Now as that's working on the wheels, we're going to use the all-purpose cleaner on the tires, as well as the wheel wells. Once again, like anything, don't let all this chemical dry on the wheels, the tires, or inside the wheel wells. Keep an eye on it, make sure to agitate, and then rinse it away. So if you're working in direct sunlight, you have to move fast. Let's check on the wheels. Oh yeah. So we see the purple reaction. That is the iron remover working on the brake dust. Now we can agitate and clean that up even further. Once everything has been thoroughly agitated, check and make sure that all of those little cracks and crevices have been agitated and cleaned. Then go ahead and rinse. And if you need to repeat this process, then do so, or at least spot check and hit some areas that you may have missed. See? Cha-ching! Marvelous. Yeah, that cleaned up awesome. Now the wheels and tires are deep cleaned, they're deconned, they are looking great. So now that the vehicle is deep cleaned and deconned, now we can continue with our polishing service. Don't forget to watch the other videos in this series. I'll have them linked down below or in the cards throughout the video.